ready for the weekend. Where we at? But anyways, I'm going home right now. About to get this side skirt put on. I'm a little wet. Just missed it, but they over there shooting a music video. Damn, I just missed it. They got the big old Rolls Royce. Stop playing with them. All right, I'm home now, and here go the side skirts. My bad, my garage is messy. I just finished working on the car, so don't even look at that. But here we go. Got the young KBD. Stop playing. Here we go. So get the other one right quick. That's what I'm talking about right there, boy. That young KBD. So I've been seeing a lot of people using like using like rivets or whatever to like put in here. So I'm not gonna do that because I don't have no rivets, but I do have self-tapping screws. So I'm gonna just self-tap them into here. I like self-tappers because what's the code? Where they at? Oh, look at all my spacer collection. See, self-tappers. I like these because all they are is the Phillips. You cannot see this at all. Don't focus. Okay, it's not gonna focus. You know, it doesn't matter. It's a Phillips, so any drill will work just with the Phillips head. Take them on and off easy. So that's why I like those. So that's what I'm gonna use. Because they don't come with no holes whatsoever. You have to do all the holes yourself. So I'm gonna just take the easy way and just self-tap it in. And I'm not gonna wrap it today. I don't feel like doing that because I'm gonna struggle. I don't feel like it. So it's too hot. It's too hot outside to be struggling. So yeah, let's get started. Right, so I got one side on, and boy, these side skirts look so good. They're like, they make my car look so much lower. Oh my god, I don't know how well it's coming out on the camera, but it looks so good. But I'm gonna put the right side on, and then I'm gonna bring it outside, and then you're really gonna be able to tell. Looks so good. Got both sides done. Oh my god, dude, makes my car look so much better. So I put self-tappers pretty much like in all like along here. So I'm gonna just keep that for now because I don't have my jack, because I always let somebody borrow my jack and they don't return it in a good time. So I don't have my jack right now, but I'm gonna put some under, like mounting to the bottom of the floor. Whew, I'm out of breath. That means I'm out of shape. I ain't been to the gym in a minute. God damn. Woo. But yeah, I'm gonna put some on the bottom just to keep it up, because yeah, I mean, you can see like you can move it. I mean, it's not that bad, but it'll stay in place. But yeah, I'm gonna pull it out right quick. I know it seems like all I do is record videos right outside my house, but I mean, hey, this is the chop shop. That's where you get all stuff done. But anyways, bruh, these side skirts look amazing. Like, bruh, oh my god. I don't even know what to say, but they just look so fire. Right here, the front, you can see it's slightly longer. Because I had to cut that fender a little bit more when I put the what's it called? You know what I'm talking about? The over fenders, the wide body. So when I put that on, the wheel rubs inside. Like I mentioned in the last video, I need to go to a smaller tire because it rubs inside of there. So I had to cut the fender more so it doesn't like cut the tire. But anyways, fire. Oh, my mom been complaining about me driving her car and it'd be dirty and not washing it, so about to wash it. You can see all that. Look, the snap of a finger, it's gonna be clean. Okay, so that last clip was a fail. I forgot to record it and I put the car in the garage so I could dry it. But it's busting. You can't really see because there ain't no sun, but this pearl and the white, oof, boy, but buzzing, boy. I wanted to wrap it actually like this pearl white, which this car is. Stupid cat. I wanted to wrap it this color before with like a whole lot of flake, like that kind of wrap, but I ended up not doing that. I don't know what happened, but it's wet. I'm gonna get to the white, I'm gonna get to the red, I'm gonna get to all the colors. Just I gotta go through my stages first. I'm gonna bring the car in the driveway so we can talk about the car some more. Literally, it's like every little thing you do to your car makes you fall back in love with your car again. Like literally, oh my god, bro, side skirts look so good. Just like every angle, they just look so good. It makes my car look really low. Oh damn, that shit hurt. I hit the goddamn. But yeah, show y'all this side. I don't know, I think the right side is my new favorite side now. It's crazy, it used to be my left, but anyways, that's it for today. Just wanted to put the side skirts on right quick. I'm gonna try to start vlogging more. Yeah, let's get it cracking. Listen. Okay, bye.